this new wig. I'm going to do a little wig review. It's by Outre. It's a color pop. The name is Gabby. So this is what it looks like. This is the cap construction. It got a comb in the back. It got the adjustable straps. It got combs in the front. One right here on this side. One on this side. It fits just a standard size head. So this is how it looks. It's a basic everyday wig. I think it's cute. So I'll be putting it on. Looks like my camera's upside down. I'll be putting it on and showing you guys how it looks. Like I said, it's very affordable for us mature women who want something we can just put on and go. This is it. All right. So I'm going to put it on and I'll show you what it looks like when I have it on. It's not that long. It's a nice little length. It's cut in layers. It has the bangs. I'll be right back with it on. Okay, family, so I showed you guys the construction of the cap of the wig. So I just waited till the next morning till I got dressed. And so this is it. This is cute, isn't it? It's cut in layers. It's already look like it's been thin. It's not that long. Like I said, this is a good wig for us more mature ladies who want to be cute. Just get up in the morning, throw something on, and hey, head out to work. As far as me, I'm going to take my grandkids to school. All right, people. I just got my basic little green little workout outfit. So I can just go. All right. Let me know what you think down below. Okay? All right. This is something new I'm adding to my channel. Some reviews. All right. Thank you. I appreciate everybody being here, supporting me, and watching my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up the videos, okay? And subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you.